Sa tingin ko, ito ay isa sa mga pinakamagandang staycation na napuntahan namin dito sa Pampanga. Lalong-lalo na guys, ang ganda ng view namin, Mount Arayat. Nababo Kabalen, welcome to Warren Pampanga guys. Para sa video na to, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Magalang, Pampanga, and we were invited by Jensen's Paradise. Guys, this is a newly built staycation dito po sa Magalang, and we are very happy to stay here dahil nga napakaganda. I think this is one of the beautiful resorts that we have been. Lalong-lalo na guys, ang ganda ng view natin ng Mount Arayat dito. So I'm gonna tour you guys. This is a 2-villa resort as of now dahil meron pa po silang expansion sa likod. If you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po ako. Let's go! Nandito tayo ngayon sa isa sa mga 4 na structure dito po sa villa na to. This is their living room, entertainment place, dining area, and at the same time, yung kitchen. So notice here guys, they compact it in one place. And ako, mas appreciate ko yung ganito kasi nakahiwalay talaga dun sa mga tulugan or accommodation. No? Whether it's gonna be a little bit messy or maingay kapag nag-video okay sila or nanonood, separate talaga yung area ng accommodation. This is another room sa kanilang accommodation. Identical dun sa katapat niya na property or room din, no? So, we have a bunk bed or a double bed, or they call it, no? Meron din tayong pull-out bed dito. So, in here also, meron tayong TV. Meron na rin siyang sariling toilet and bath, which is this one. There. Welcome to the pool area. So, dito rin nakatapat yung ating mga accommodations. The 2 rooms are identical, itong dalawa na to. And we have a room that has a king size bed. And then yung isa naman dito, yung katapat niya, queen size bed naman siya. So bago tayo pumasok sa kwarto na to, galing tayo dun sa parang pinaka-master's bedroom, in which yung kwarto na yun, meron lamang siyang king-size bed. Katapat naman nun is this room. Meron tayong isang bed, which is also a pull-out bed. So all in all, siguro this can accommodate 4 people. Dito rin sa kwarto na to, as I mentioned, lahat po ng mga kwarto natin may mga sari-sariling toilet and bath. All of our accommodations as well, or rooms, are air-conditioned. At meron na rin silang mga TV for your entertainment. Overall, my impression dito po sa lugar na to is very impressive. Although the place is very minimal in terms of the amenities or the design, it does not need to be parang modern. But this one, they kept it very simple, and para sa akin yun yung mas na-appreciate ko. Nag-complement din dito dahil may view tayo nung Mount Arayat. The pool is also just, you know, simple. Meron siyang dalawang section, it's for kids, and second section naman is a little bit deeper. So as of now guys, meron lamang po silang dalawang villa, which is very identical. So parehong-pareho lang man po sila. And soon they're gonna expand to sa kanilang second phase. And soon, watch out on their Facebook page po, no? They're gonna open a cafe dito po sa lugar na to, in which nung nakita kong una, sabi ko, wow, grabe. And hopefully we'll be excited for those improvement po dito sa lugar na to. So there you have it guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching Warren Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out guys, bye.